Have you ever pondered the profound influence a divorce can have on your mental health? This is a question that many people grapple with, and it's a topic we're going to delve into today. Divorce, though often a painful and challenging process, can also be a catalyst for significant personal growth and transformation. It's a fact that experts in the field of psychology and mental health are keen to highlight. Dr. Samantha Smith, a leading psychologist, states, "Divorce can indeed be a seismic event in a person's life. However, it also provides an opportunity for individuals to reassess their lives, their values, and their goals." She further emphasizes the importance of seeking professional help during such times. A therapist can provide a safe space to express feelings, navigate the journey of grief, and eventually help individuals rebuild their lives post-divorce. It's also crucial to remember that the impact of divorce isn't limited to the individuals directly involved. Children of divorced parents can experience a range of emotions, from confusion and guilt to anger and sadness. However, as child psychologist Dr. Laura Markham points out, children are incredibly resilient. With the right support and guidance, they can navigate this change in their family structure in a healthy way. One of the key aspects of navigating the aftermath of a divorce successfully is understanding that it's okay to feel a myriad of emotions. It's okay to grieve for the loss of the relationship and the shared dreams and plans. As renowned psychiatrist Dr. Gail Saltz points out, divorce, like any significant loss, triggers a grieving process. It's essential to allow yourself to experience this grief, to move through it rather than around it. Financial trauma is another facet of divorce that cannot be overlooked. It's not uncommon for individuals to feel stressed and anxious about their financial future post-divorce. Financial therapists suggest that building strong financial habits and self-educating through resources like books or personal finance classes can contribute to healing financial trauma. To sum up, here are the key points we've discussed today. Divorce can be a catalyst for significant personal growth and transformation. Seeking professional help during such times is crucial. The impact of divorce isn't limited to the individuals directly involved. Children can navigate this change in their family structure in a healthy way with the right support and guidance. It's okay to grieve for the loss of the relationship and the shared dreams and plans. Building strong financial habits and self-educating can help heal financial trauma post-divorce. Remember, it's okay to ask for help, and it's okay to take the time you need to heal and rebuild. After all, as the saying goes, the only way out is through.